The journey to becoming a University of Phoenix student is easier than you might think. There's no application fee, no SAT.
Okay, guys, are you ready to play with my new Robo Rage toy?
Oh, cool. Bish versus Bosch.
Oh, dude, I want to be Chris Bosch.
And I want to be Bish, because I'm 100% that Bish.
I want to play with the new robot toy.
So let's open it and play with it.
I go first.
No, dude, I want to go first.
No, I want to go first.
Guys, it's my toy, so I get to go first.
No, I want to go first. I get to go first because I have a disability.
Okay, guys, listen. We need to buy 2 more of these robots so...
Ours? Well, honestly, I just...
Time to get Marvin's house painted.
Hey, Donnie, can I go outside and wash cars with my friends?
No!
Why? 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 I don't get it. Why?
Man, come on, let Jimmy go outside and do a job.
But baby, he's gonna be touching other people's cars and he might damage them and then it'll be my problem.
But Marvin, you're not going to give him money, so let him go work for it.
Yeah, Donnie, I'm a working man.
Okay, fine, Jeffy, you can go wash cars, but...
So you're already halfway there. Just work on your strumming, lean into the thrumming of the rhythm pervading the air. See, look, you're improving. You're great. You're improving. Work is my life. Perfection is my aim. Slowly but surely I will make those around me feel the same. 'Cause the sky is only so high. I'd say it's halfway to the top. I'm gonna keep going 'cause I never learned.
Yo, if you don't shut your mouth, I'ma shut it for you, punk! Hit you with the hard tactics! Hit you with the hard tactics! Hit you with the hard tactics! Hit you with the hard pump tactics! Bankrolls come straight for the assets! No games, no throw, won't pass it! Pick you up, spit you out like Jurassic!
Don't know what it's like to drown away in a puddle of shame. Yes, you made me insane. But not anymore.
Okay, make sure y'all subscribe.